been on the ride yet.
Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today is the last day that Splash Mountain will be Brer Bear, Brer Fox, and Brer Rabbit. They are in the process of changing it to Princess Tiana, and I thought it would be fun just to draw a quick little doodle up. So I drew up this image from a couple of pictures that I found online, and I wanted to include the Splash Mountain this way, and then the part of the ride, and then a little bit of the rocks and all the bushes. So we're going to go ahead, and I drew this all up, and now I'm going to go ahead and color it all in. Splash Mountain to me is such a fun ride. I mean, I always remember I went there when I was a kid multiple times. I remember when it opened. I've been on the one in California. The one in Florida is the one I know the most. I remember when I was a kid going on that ride, and my mom was always so afraid, but she really wanted to go and see the animatronics. So I remember one time she did go on the ride with us, but most of the time she would just cheer us on. It was fun. It was a good time. I mean, Splash Mountain to me was just a great ride that was fun. I really, really enjoyed the fact that it was a water ride. So, you know, if you were there in the middle of the summer, it was always a nice way to just cool down. I would love to hear from you down below. I'd love for you to share your favorite Splash Mountain story of when you were there. It would be really fun to kind of just hear what everybody has to share. So I'm going to go ahead and color this in. Now, for those of you that have followed me on Instagram, I am so excited. I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, and they had Copic markers for $1.99. So I thought, let's break those in. So that is what we are using today to color in Brer Rabbit and Splash Mountain. As a Wisconsin-based artist, entrepreneur, and educator, I'm very passionate about creating and inspiring others. I founded this channel on the idea of a creative adventures. So what that means is art, drawing, coloring with Copics, card making, adventures. So it could be trips to Disney World or the Wisconsin Dells. I love being able to share all of that with you and the knowledge that I have. I also enjoy being able to show you how to do digital social media and so much more. So I do ask that you please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. It costs nothing, and anytime we upload a video, if you're logged onto YouTube, it'll remind you. That would be really appreciated. The other thing I do have is a subscription base. If you wanted to subscribe and help support the channel a little bit more, you do get some extra fun features. So thank you so much, and let's go ahead and finish coloring up Splash Mountain. After I colored in the brown, I couldn't get it to look the way I wanted, and I realized I had an orange kind of a shade that I thought if I mixed it with the brown, absolutely perfect match to the Splash Mountain rock work. I think it looks so great. It's so cute. Just going to go back in and put some heavy shadows in there. This finished piece is 5x7, and it's a really good working size. It's not too big, but it works really well when you are coloring because it can show enough detail. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with this. So the final version of this, super nice. It's less than 5x7, which would be really easily framed. Super cute. Splash Mountain, you are definitely going to be missed, but I do look forward to progress and seeing the new Princess Tiana version. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Be sure to go ahead and check out my website. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And like we talked about when the video first started, I would love to hear your Splash Mountain stories. Maybe it's somebody who dragged you on the ride. Maybe you brought somebody on the ride. Go ahead and comment that below. Take care, everybody.